Hi guys, welcome to a slightly different video for my channel because I have not done an unboxing video in a really long time, but my new iPhone Pro 12 Pro, whatever it is, just arrived and I wanted to do an iPhone unboxing for you. I have not upgraded my phone in 4 years. I still have the iPhone 7. This is the 7 Plus. It is an amazing phone, but I thought maybe it was time to upgrade to the newer phone because I haven't even, tried out like some of the newer technology, like the facial recognition and all that. So anyway, we're gonna do an unboxing. I'm gonna start cutting this open, and while I'm at it, I'm gonna let you know that my website, the inventory, is now live. I have a range of planners over there, like a daily, a weekly, and a monthly planner, and you can use them digitally. I use mine on my iPad, or you can print them out and use them with pen and on paper, but I have those now live. And also, while we're on the topic of iPhones, I have a bunch of app icons as well. So those are over there, and I will leave a link to my app icon video in the description where I show you, oh my gosh, this is so exciting, how to customize your iPhone background. You don't need the new iPhone, you can do it on any other iPhone as long as it has iOS 14, I believe. But I'll leave that video in the description. Let's open this box. Okay, so here it is. It's like taped in there. Well, it's not taped in there, it's like plastic around it. But the new thing about these iPhones is that the boxes are significantly thinner than any of their other iPhone boxes. So the other ones were like almost twice as thick as this one, so this is it. Also, every time I've bought an iPhone, I've always got a white box. That's just something I've noticed. Anyway, let's open this. Why is this so satisfying? I'm so excited. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. This is so exciting. So this is my iPhone. So I got the silver one. I really wanted to get a silver one when I got this one, but they only had the pinky rose gold one. So I got that at the time, and it's been 4 years of wanting a silver phone. And if it's been 4 years, I figured I should go with the silver. I did like the look of the gold, but the thing about the 12 Pros is that the side of them has like a chrome shiny finish, and I don't like how the gold looks, or at least from what I've seen, I don't like how the gold looks. But so this is what it looks like. It's got the chrome sides. There is nothing on the back, I don't think. I don't think there's anything to peel off on the back. I think the back is just as is. So it kind of looks white, to be honest. It doesn't look very silver, I think. Is there anything to peel off? I don't think so. And then on the front, there is like white, just a white peely off thing. So I guess I'm gonna give it a go. Ooh, this is so exciting. I don't want to now. I want to put it away and not open it. Very exciting. Okay, so that's the front of the phone. It's kind of squared off, just like the old 4s and the 5s, and it's very cool. I can't say it feels any heavier than my other one. Also, I had the Plus, and this is just the regular, and I was thinking about getting the Pro, so getting the big one. But now I'm not sure, like holding them side by side, like these are pretty similar. If I got the Pro, like it would be pretty big if I got the Pro. I don't know, hard to tell. But anyways, so this is the phone. In the bottom of the box, you get your little thing that comes with your information, the little, I like to call it a paperclip, even though it's not a paperclip, but it looks like a paperclip to do the SIM thing. And then also you have the cable. So what's unique about this type of iPhone compared to all the other ones is that it doesn't come with the wall brick, it only comes with the charger cable. I guess the reasoning behind that was like an environmental thing, and that you already have like charger brick things, but I have heard that if you do not own an 11, then you do not have a brick that will fit in the USB-C, because it is not your USB, whatever regular USB, it is USB-C. I have a MacBook though that has USB-C ports, so I can use this with my MacBook. And also because I've owned iPhones and I own a bunch of Apple products, I have a bunch of wall outlets with the lightning cables anyway, so I'm not particularly too worried about that. But I do know that for a lot of people that is something that is really annoying. The other new thing that I did hear about these iPhones is that they have a MagSafe charger, which is like a magnet thing in here that the charger can kind of clip into place. There's accessories to be able to clip on with a magnet, but I've seen some of those and they look terrifying to me, so I'm not interested in the little wallet accessories that go on the back because they look like they'll just fall off. But I am interested in getting a wireless charger because I have an iPhone 7, I've never used wireless charging before, so again, a new and exciting for me. But yeah, so I'm very excited. I do need to get a case for it and a screen protector. probably, I wasn't too worried about the case because like I literally don't leave my house and I don't go anywhere, and I'm not worried about breaking it. It's just now the screen on the front. I didn't think about getting a glass screen protector. I always get glass screen protectors. It just makes me feel a lot better about my phone when I do that. So I do need to get that. And I have seen like my case on this phone, which is a really pretty like rose case, is from Casetify, and I have seen that Casetify has 12 cases already, I believe. So I'll have to look into that. But yeah, I'm not sure if I should get the big one or not. Apple also has a really great returns, refunds policy, whatever. You can open the product and use it as long as you are returning it without it being broken or having any damage, and you have the box and all of the pieces. You have 14 days to be able to return it. So I'm not sure if I want to keep this one or I want to get the bigger one. I'm gonna have to think about this for a couple of days, but if I do want to return it, I can do that and then just pre-order the Pro when it does come out, which I think is very cool. But yeah, the silver definitely looks white, and one of my friends is totally gonna love that, so I need to tell her. But yeah, anyway, so that's the unboxing of the 12. The next step, I guess, is to set it all up. This one has just been backed up this morning, so I'm able to just transfer everything over. So I guess we'll give that a go. It's turning on. I feel like I have no idea what I'm doing. I just feel like the technology has changed so much. It's on, it says hello. Swipe up to open, English, Australia. Ooh, set up new iPhone. Okay, easy. I can just, it's got like a quick start on this one, and I can set up my new iPhone from my old iPhone. So I'm going to press that button, and it's waiting for other iPhone. What does it say? Position this image in front of the camera on your other iPhone. So I just have to do that with this one. Took 2 seconds, and it's doing a thing. It's thinking, it's setting language. It's telling me that I need to select a Wi-Fi network. Like, I thought it would have already done that. We'll pick this one. I don't want to have to enter the password. I don't even know what my password is. Like, I have to go and find my password. Come on! I thought this was supposed to do its thing. Aww. I don't know what my password is. Okay, hang on, I gotta go find my password. Okay. It's in an email somewhere from my internet provider. Honestly, I think we're connected to the Wi-Fi. It says it may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. My old iPhone isn't telling me to do anything anymore. But yeah, I've not done that before, because usually whenever I have had a new iPhone, I've always just started it up from like scratch. Like I just never backed up and transferred over. But yeah, this is the first time I'm doing that, because I think that's the way to go, and that's the whole point of backing it up and whatnot. Plus I have so much on here that I'm not ready to get rid of. Okay, it's telling me to set up Face ID, and I'm not sure how I feel about this, so I'm gonna set this up later, but I will create a passcode. I thought like I clicked a button on my phone that was gonna do all this for me, but now it's saying that I have to like log in by myself. All right, okay, fine. I kind of like this smaller phone though. I'm like I love my big phone, but I don't know if I want to get the bigger phone. Like this, the screen's definitely taller than the old iPhone, but it's not as wide. But I don't know. It's saying it will take a few minutes to set up my phone. I'm still trying to decide if I like the size of just the 12 Pro or whether I want to get the bigger one. This is a really, really hard decision. With a case on it, it'll be a bit chunkier. I should take the case off this one. So without the cases, side by side, if I can show you 7 to 12 Pro. I think the 12 is slightly thicker. Oh, I have so many things I need to set up. I'm gonna have to do this. Okay, well it's restoring, so who knows how long this will take. It might take a little while. It's going to estimate some time, and I would say probably like a couple of hours. It's finally finished updating, which is so cool. I need to get used to the fact that it doesn't have a button, because like I said, I'm just so out of the new iPhone game that this is a little bit weird. Still just downloading some apps and stuff, but ooh, it looks so good. I'm so excited. I still don't know about like whether I'm supposed to like maybe get the bigger one. I mean, this is gonna be a tough decision over the next like little bit. Ooh, it's 3:33, just in case you're wondering. It's 3:33 p.m. and we just found out here in Melbourne too that we're allowed to like go back to being like in restaurants and just all these really great things. So like right now my phone is actually going off because people are so excited that, you know, we've had 0 cases today and we're just allowed to go back outside, and it's awesome. So that's totally off track to what I was talking about with my phone. But All my apps are just downloading now. I will put a thing up here on the screen to show you what my current background looks like. I am obsessed with this sort of like warm tones. This one is called the Boho Fall because it's a little bit fall tones. I also have a darker fall pack as well, and also a sort of pastel spring pack that works really well with my watercolor floral icons. I'll have that and all of the planners and everything on my website. The link will be in the description. But yeah, let me know if you're gonna get the new iPhone. Let me know your thoughts on whether you think that I should get the bigger one or whether I should stick with this one. It is so hard to tell. I feel like, hang on, I'll show you real quick this way. Can you see it? It's all just backed up. Like the screen, it's pretty similar. They're pretty similar in size. I can't decide. I don't know how I feel about the sort of shiny stainless steel around the edges. Not really a fan, but doesn't matter because I'm gonna have a case on it anyway. And the only other thing that I'm not used to is the fact that I've always gone for white iPhones, whereas now they're all black, like the edges are all black on all of them. But I feel like I'm coming into like, you know, newer technology. It's nice. I don't know. Anyways, I'm so excited. I've been waiting for this for weeks. I wanted to get a new phone about a month ago, but I decided to wait for the 12, and I'm so glad that I did. I do really love the squared off design, like the old 4 and 5 takes me back, it really does. But yeah, anyway, that was my iPhone unboxing. Also, again, I'm pretty okay with this because I have my computer and I'm totally fine with all of the charges that I have, but just a warning for anyone that's interested, the new boxes are really quite tiny and they do not come with a wall brick. So that's pretty much all of the information that I know. I don't know anything about technology, clearly, so I hope you guys have enjoyed this iPhone unboxing. I'm super excited to play around and keep customizing it, and I'm always going to be creating new and different iPhone app like covers, so if you guys have any suggestions of any themes or styles that you would like, please let me know in the comments down below because I'm really enjoying creating all of that content. And up the top, you can check out my last video. Down the bottom, I will leave a link to another one of my videos, and I will see you in the next one.